guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the products that I used to create this look today. So this look I feel is inspired by very 1990s Angelina Jolie kind of look, like the modern goth kind of look. So to create the look on my eyes, I used my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and the shades that I used, sorry mine's quite dusty, the shades that I used, so this is my inner corner, these two, so that's what gives that gorgeous light in the corners there. And then for the actual color, I've just used these two shades right here and blended them in together, and then underneath I've used this shade, so like just a little bit under the eye there. And I don't even have any liquid liner on at all, so it's just plain shadow. And I have lined my eyes just with Charlotte Tilbury's eyeliner in Barbarella Brown. And then mascara is Bad Gal Roller Lash. So this is a really simple eye look to do if you want like a dramatic, dark, I wouldn't even call this like a smoky eye, it's more like a bold eye. And you can use it all from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So you can get the Jaclyn Hill palette on Beauty Bay, and it's like £32 or something, but you are getting so many pans. Like look at all these shades you get right here. So many mattes, shimmers, foils, a lot. So if you guys really like this look, I can maybe do a little video tutorial for you guys. But it's just super pretty. It's a nice way to have like this huge glam eye without falsies and liquid liner, because the shades are so dark. You don't see that I don't have false lashes on. You don't see that I don't have a liquid line. So like it really just boosts the eyes up. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about how I got this look today. So I hope you enjoy.